Nipsey Hussle. Oh, he's on my For You page. Okay.
Pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel.
How to grow on TikTok. Now, I'm just so amazed with the algorithm. I have so many different videos talking about how to grow, how to make money off of TikTok. I'm going to tag them all right here in the description box so you guys can check it out as well. So amazed because right now, let me see how many followers I have. So I have 19,000 followers. And that's insane, guys. That's insane because on Instagram I only have about what? Not even 2,000, right? And on YouTube, I've been on YouTube for over 5 years and I only have about 2,000 followers. So when as soon as I got on TikTok, I posted about 2 videos and that's how I got all of my subscribers. Followers. So it's like, I'm just amazed. I'm so amazed with their algorithm and I'm going to teach you guys how I did it. So how often should you post? I suggest about 3 to 5 videos a week. But if you can do 3 videos a day for about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, do that. When I first started, I only did one video probably a week. Honestly, I grew within a month. It took me about a month to grow to the large following that I have. And I'm still, every day I'm amazed. Every day I'm amazed. YouTube needs to take some little pointers from them. Now, I know that sounds a lot, like 3 videos a day. It sounds ridiculous, especially if you have a job and all that, you have other obligations. But it sounds bad, but look, this is what I do. And it's been working. So if I post one video and it's actually recycled content, I'm not gonna lie, I post recycled content from Instagram and YouTube, and yeah, I make something happen. So I'll post the same video. I will post that same video 3 times that day with different sounds. I'm gonna talk about sounds later in this video, but that's what I would do. I'll post the same video 3 times. And it's been working because one video might not get that many views, but the other one can go better and one can go less. But it's been working for me. The second tip is the length of the video. Now, they have options of 15 and 60 seconds. And the 60 second is the goal, but it's so hard to grab people's attention. Imagine when you scrolling on your For You page, that's the timeline. That's what's called the For You page. So when you scrolling, think about what captures your attention, and everybody has short attention spans, so of course they're not going to be paying attention that long. So you want to make videos as long as possible. Well, they only can do 60 seconds because the more views, the better YouTube will push. Why I say YouTube? Oh my god. The better TikTok will push you. Next tip, of course, is hashtags. Hashtags is important on TikTok, Instagram, and on YouTube. So hashtags, guys. And you want to post what's related to your video. I do make a post. I try to make as many hashtags as possible because I want to attract so many more people. So my next tip is to be creative. You want people to stop scrolling just to watch your video. So the popular videos that are on TikTok is informational, the news, that stuff that I'm weird, that's the stuff I watch on there, dancing and all that. But my content, what I post is totally different. The only reason I say it's totally different is because when I first started, I didn't know what I wanted to post. So I literally just post what I post on YouTube. So for instance, if I'm about to upload a video to YouTube, I would put a little teaser on TikTok. So I'm basically leading them to my YouTube channel. So that's literally all I was doing for, let me show you guys the example of what I'm talking about. So this one is just, it says new video. And it's a little snippet of what you're going to see on YouTube. And mind you, of course, all the links is in my bio, description, whatever you want to call it. All the links is there so you guys can just go click and watch that video. So yeah, basically, because at first literally I didn't know what to do, so, and this has been working for me, just posting little things. And also, let me show you another video that did well. This video is just me and my mom talking. Well, me and my mom was talking in this video, but it's actually kind of funny. You guys should watch it. But this video has what, 75,000 views. That's all I do, and it's been working. So hey, you guys should try it as well. Let's talk about editing. Now, you can edit on TikTok. I'm not an expert with all the green screens and all that, and some people really do like some nice stuff, but I do what is best for me. So I will edit on iMovie sometimes and I just transfer it to TikTok, or I will edit on the app itself. Now, I don't know how to do all the little fancy stuff. My transitions are okay though. But let me show you guys one video that I recently posted, and it had the little day in my life thing. Yeah, the little write-in. That's from TikTok. So yeah, I really don't do editings on the app. Next tip is sound, or the audio. This is so important. Well, yes, it is. It's important, guys. So for instance, if it's a new trend and that song, that's gonna like help you go viral. So if there's a new dance and that song that everybody dancing to, I'll take that song and I'll put it in the background of one of my videos, and now that song can help you rank higher too as well. So keep that in the back of your mind. The next tip, stitching duets and answering questions and video responses. I'm just getting into this and it helps you grow so much, guys. So let me give you an example. So duets is when, for instance, I did a video and then somebody wants to do a reply or response to it. It'll be two videos. So it'll be their video on one side and yours, and they're responding to your video, if that makes any sense. So that's one way. That is duets. So stitching. This is when, for instance, someone does a video and I react to their video. I'm gonna stitch it. So I'm gonna give you guys an example right here. In this video, I got so many bad comments. If you guys don't know who this girl is, I'm gonna link it all in the description box so you can check out my video and my response to what she said. Yeah, I got a lot of bad responses. And the other one is answering questions with the video. This helps you as well. Well, everything I'm telling you helps you. This one, I kind of really enjoy doing it. It's time consuming, but I enjoy it. So you can answer a question with a video response. Now, on my Nacho Daddy video, I have over 200,000 views. I got a lot of bad comments as well on that one. And one comment about this guy, he continued to talk about me. Talk about my little mole on my nose. So I responded to him, and I'm sure you guys will hear. And I responded to him, and I got so many views on that video of me responding to him. They were defending me. It was a little cute. It was cute, and it was a little drama. You know, people love drama. I'm just trying to say, start posting. Basically, start posting, start responding to people, tagging people, and using a good sound. Going live. Oh my god, I love going live. But there is a requirement. You have to have about 1,000 followers first in order to go live. But when you do go live, I keep calling this, but I have to say YouTube. TikTok pushes your videos, pushes you so much, guys. So especially if you do over an hour. I found out when you do over an hour on live, you get more views and they push you more. I'm so serious, guys. As soon as you end the live watch, you have so many likes and comments and new followers. And it's so, but it depends on the days and all that. But yes, I love going live. I try to go live as much as I can. Also, your followers can send you money, and the money is actually I don't know the name, guys. I think it's jewels or something. Your followers purchase it, and then they can send it to you, and you can cash it out into money and put it into your PayPal account. Amazing. And the final tip is, it's more so of an incentive to start on TikTok, is getting paid. You do get paid off of TikTok. It is called the Creator Fund. Now they just changed the requirements. At first it was 10,000 followers, 10,000 likes within a month, and you have to be over 18. But now it's 10,000 followers. I'm sorry, I'm just so used to YouTube, and 100,000 video views, right? I can post it right here. And they're just trying to they're trying to make it harder to get paid on TikTok. That's the only explanation. The money that you get on TikTok is not that much, but it's something, and then one day it might add up. So I've been on the Creator Fund. I actually just got accepted about a couple of weeks ago. So I don't think it's been a month yet, and it's not that much, but I like it because now it's more of a sense of me. I'm like, okay, what I'm doing, I'm getting compensated for. I'm just saying, pushing your content all the time and literally posting, it's like really time consuming. So that's why in my back of my mind, okay, it's the end goal. So that is it on my tips on how to grow on TikTok. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to watch the other videos I have on this series. I'm always amazed about how fast I grew on TikTok, and I'm trying to teach you guys the same thing. So, fix my hair. So that's it for this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.